we're making a delicious holiday meal that we know your friends and family will love. Whether you make this for a holiday dinner party or a Christmas meal, it'll be a hit.
Hi, I'm Angie. Welcome back to Dinner and a Side.
And I'm her sister Laura. Today we're making a complete holiday meal that you can make for those smaller gatherings that you're likely to have around the holidays.
We often find that cooking a large turkey or prime rib for a smaller gathering is just too much. So we like to have some small, more intimate recipes ready for when we need them.
This menu is great for serving 2 to 8 people. You can adjust the servings as you need. And it's just so tasty. Everyone's going to love it. We're making cranberry orange chicken thighs, a festive Christmas salad, and some crispy potato stacks. We're actually cooking together here at my house in California because we're celebrating our dad's 80th birthday.
And this is the meal that we're going to share tonight. It makes a great holiday or birthday meal. I'm going to start making the walnuts for the salad. Laura's going to preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. That's 200 degrees Celsius. And I'm going to line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Toss the walnuts and the pumpkin seeds with the maple syrup and smoked paprika. Spread them on the baking sheet in a single even layer. These are actually ready to go in the oven.
Yeah, those look great. I'll put them in.
Okay. Bake them for 7 minutes until they're a little bit toasty. Watch that they don't burn.
For holiday meals, people are always obsessing over the turkey. But if you don't have that many people coming to dinner, why not use chicken thighs instead? It's so much easier. And these cranberry orange chicken thighs are so juicy and packed with holiday flavors. What's not to love? If you've got large bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs like these, 1 per person is just right. I'm gonna season the chicken with a little bit of salt and pepper on both sides. Heat a cast iron skillet or an oven-safe skillet over about medium heat. Then when it's hot, I'm gonna add the chicken. I'm gonna put it skin side down and sear it just until it's golden. That will take about maybe 3 minutes per side. And when it's all done and looks beautiful like this, you can set it on a wire rack to cool. Okay, Angie, I think your nuts are done.
Oh, great. Can you take them out for me?
Yep. Oh, those look so good. Smell those.
Oh, they smell good too.
Yum. I'm gonna set them out here. I can see you're getting started with the potatoes already.
Yes, they are going to take a while, so I thought I'd get started slicing.
Okay, that's a good idea. How many are you making?
Well, there's 5 of us, so I'm going to slice 5 russet potatoes.
Okay.
I'm using a mandolin. I think it's the easiest way to get uniform slices, but you could use a sharp knife also.
While you're finishing up those potatoes, I'm going to make this magic sauce. Look at this. Starts with butter. I don't really know what to call this.
I don't think it matters what you call it. It's what's going to make this recipe the best thing on the plate today.
That is true. In a large bowl, stir together the butter, garlic, cheeses, thyme, rosemary, salt, and pepper, and stir that up.
Here are the potatoes.
Oh, perfect. I will pour this magic sauce right over the top. Pour the sauce into the potatoes and then stir it all up. But try not to break up the potato slices. Just get it nice and coated.
We're going to stack the potatoes into a muffin tin, so I'm going to lightly grease the wells so the potatoes don't stick.
Layer the potato slices in each well of the muffin tin, but you want to go way over the top. They will shrink down quite a bit when they cook. I think we're about done here.
That looks pretty good.
Yeah. I'm gonna have to put some more of this magic sauce in each of the little ones.
Ooh, that looks good. Hey, good job.
All right.
Here's some tin foil.
Okay, I'm just gonna cover this with tin foil. It keeps it from over baking. My hands are still covered. Thanks. Okay.
We're gonna bake this at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Then we're gonna take the tin foil off and we're gonna bake for 20 to 25 more minutes. So, while that's in the oven, we have time to finish the other dishes.
Okay, I'm gonna get back to the chicken dish now. And I'll zest the orange now. Okay, cut the orange in half, and we'll save the pretty side for garnish for later, and juice this half. Okay, I will turn back on the heat under the skillet. Add the cranberries and rosemary sprig and saute for 2 minutes. Now you can pour in the cranberry and the orange juices and deglaze the pan just to pull up any of the brown bits that you might have on the bottom of the pan. Next, I'm gonna add the orange zest, the brown sugar, the garlic and onion powders, paprika, salt, and pepper, and then stir it all up. Just simmer it for about 10 minutes so that it can cook down a little bit and develop some great flavor. Okay, there's even time to relax with a little wine.
Oh, thank you. Cheers.
Cheers. Very nice.
That's good.
All right, break's over. The sauce is reduced a little bit now, so I'm going to take about a half a cup of it out and set it aside for later. Add the chicken back in there, skin side up this time. And spoon some of the cranberry sauce from the skillet right over the top of the chicken. Okay, and then we'll bake it here alongside the potatoes for about 10 minutes.
The potatoes have been in the oven now for about 30 minutes and the chicken for 10. I'm just gonna remove the tin foil from the potatoes. And I'll baste the chicken with a bit more of that reserved sauce. Now back in the oven for another 15 minutes.
It's a quick 10-minute game. We can do this while we're waiting.
Okay. But no cheating.
No cheat. 400 points. Your turn. What? 1,500? Come on. Don't you have a salad to make?
Oh, yeah, I guess. Salad's the easy part. It doesn't take much time at all. Let me just get one of Laura's jars and we'll make some dressing. Combine the olive oil, vinegar, mustard, orange juice, and zest. Shake it all up so that everything gets blended well. In a large salad bowl, combine the lettuce, apple, avocado, pomegranate seeds, cheese, and toasted nuts. Toss it carefully to mix it all up. I like to pour the dressing on right before we eat it so that the salad doesn't get soggy. So I'm gonna put this on the table for later.
The chicken's ready now, so I'm going to take that out of the oven. It was a total of 20 minutes to get to 175 degrees Fahrenheit, and look how wonderful that looks. Yum, that looks great, and it smells wonderful too. Remember that orange half we had earlier? I'm going to slice that up into wedges now. Then I'll garnish the chicken with some cranberries, those orange wedges, and some fresh rosemary. Now that can go to the table too.
Potatoes are done too. Oh, and they look crispy and delicious. You can garnish them with flake salt and some fresh thyme.
Thank you for joining me for a wonderful holiday meal.
Cheers. Cheers. I think we should invite the rest of the family.
I think we should.
Cheers. Cheers.